Today, ladies, it is all about you. Welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And today, ladies, it is all about you. We got a couple of awesome watch faces that are going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. So make sure you go download ASAP. Now, the developer that got down on this watch face, ladies, goes by the name of DXS Studio. This guy gets down, and the name of the watch face is going to be called MTH0035. Now, in always on mode, you're going to get a simple digital time for both the Gear S3 and the Gear S2. Once it's on, I thought the developer did a really good job, especially with the design over to your left. Now you get a heart, you get a butterfly, you come over, you're going to get a nice digital time, you're going to get your date up over that, and right up under it's going to give you info on your heart rate, step information, calories burned, and you will get your battery info down at the bottom. Now, it is inactive, and I know it's important for you all to get your step status, ladies. So if you tap on it, it's going to give you your heart rate information. Same thing for your steps, and also you tap on your calories burned, it's going to pretty much give you everything, calories burned, heart rate, water intake, everything you would need to know so far as your step status is concerned. So I thought the developer really got down. So make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this watch face, and if you want to change the design a little bit more, you can double tap and it'll give you a few hearts. If you don't like that, double tap, put it back. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is unique, ladies. You got to hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one, and or if you would wear such a watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called Butterfly. In the AOD mode, you will not get a digital time. You're going to get a nice analog traditional watch face look. And when the watch face is on, I really like this design and how he created the face, the woman's face, and the blending of the lines as well into that face. I thought the developer did an awesome job. I'm giving them 3 thumbs up for creativity of this watch face. And to your right, you are going to get a digital time. Simplicity is key. All right, you all, that's going to be it, ladies. I hope you enjoyed this watch face review. If you did, hit the like button down below, tweet this out, send it out on Facebook, and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.